Welcome to a new Bitcoin daily analysis. Alright, guys, so Bitcoin really close to a new all-time high. I'm not really sure we are going to, but yeah, we have to wait. So we retest the top here. It was probably this polarity moment that it was support and turned into resistance, even here, and now here, right? So we already have 3 tests of that resistance. We also have these polarity levels here. I'm gonna delete this for because I really much like that 1 hour. Okay, so polarity, it was here because the 4 hour it was here, but as you can see, we open and close a green candle above that polarity, so we need to adapt because that means that we are going to break up, and we didn't, so we have to adapt, right? And the 1 hour as support, polarity as support, okay? And polarity here, why? Because after we break this level, the price has a big move. Okay, that is polarity. Okay, so we have these levels. Let me just go back to the 4 again. Okay, we still have polarity on the top, but I'm not really sure we are going to reject that. Okay, we have a 1 hour candle here. I didn't show it, I'm gonna do it, but let's just understand what we are kind of creating here first. Okay, so if I go here, let me just zoom this. Let me go. Okay, just for you guys to know, we have the 4 hour untested candle here. Okay, it might hold the move and maybe creating this new range from the top. I'm not gonna mark the bottom of that, but it might go there. Okay, we might be creating a new range here. We have the 4 hour previous trend. I'm gonna mark also the new trend that I also liked, but honestly, if we go there, we are probably just going to break up. Okay, so I don't believe we are going there unless we are going to break up. So it's not a possible short again. Okay, not for me. Okay, go to the 1 hour. We have a range trend here from that top. Okay, I'm not really sure about this trend, but we really did reject this candle on the 1 hour. So in a way, I like it. In the other way, I don't, because we have a lot of support here that can easily break that 1 hour. Okay, 4 hour, as you can see, I have this one marked because this is kind of the start of the laddering down. Okay, on the 4 we also have a 4 here. If we break down this 4, and we all actually reject that, I believe in the last 15 minutes, yeah, and the last half an hour we reject that 4. So if we break down this 4, we are probably going to create some range here. Okay, if not, we are probably going to break up, honestly, but yeah, we have to wait. So we also have a range trend here, I believe, not on the 1 hour, but on the 15. Let me check that. Yes, we do. Okay, so we have the break here. Okay, we have a 15 here. It was tested by this candle, so we can create the trend here. I'm gonna mark this as a 15. Okay. Oh, almost test that. Almost not tested yet. Let's see if we are going to. Okay. 1 hour. We have it here. It's the same as the 4, so I'm not gonna mark that above that bill. So what we have in this range that can still hold the price up. Okay. So we have the ladder. Okay, from the 15 here. I'm gonna mark this here. So we have the 15 here. Okay, we ladder to this candle. So I'm gonna keep that. This is not important because honestly, if we come down to this candle, we are probably going to break down. So we have polarity here, I believe. I don't like this level, honestly, but oh, no, it was already a 15. I don't like this level, but it can still hold that because we might be able to adapt the trend. It's really close to that previous 1 hour trend, um, but I like this one also. Okay. Oh, come on. So 15 trail. We did not test this candle. I'm gonna keep it here, but we did test the backside here, and this is also a polarity level. Okay, this is a polarity level. We have the trail on a 15. We did not test the greatest level, but we did test the backside here and also this candle here, as you can see. So I'm gonna mark this as polarity. Okay, as dashed. As you can see, this is polarity because it was rejected a lot of times, and after it breaks up, it just moves up almost 2.5, I believe. Not really important, but just for you guys to understand what is polarity. Yeah, 2.5. Okay, so polarity here that can it was previous resistance that can now turn into support. Okay, we have the 4 hour here. We still have this 15 here. I really believe that we can easily hold this 15 or maybe this 4 hour for a possible long position. Okay, I kind of don't like that because it's a little bit far away from that trend. And honestly, if we break the trend, we are probably going to test this untested candle, and this one might not even hold. All right. We also have that 4 hour downtrend. They align here. That can still hold that because we might test the back side of that trend. Okay, so we have to wait to see if we are actually going there or if we are going to hold this range. All right, guys. And I believe I said everything that I might happen to Bitcoin. Okay, I believe I said everything. Let me see if I didn't forget anything. No, I didn't forget anything. Okay, yeah, I have these levels here. This one, it's kind of not really important anymore. I don't like to take positions on the back test of the trend. I just want to see if that is really going to hold, because as you can see here, it was really trying to break, and when it breaks up that trend, the price just goes up. It's like that polarity level, so that back test might be a good option for a long position. The only problem is that we still have this 15 and untested, and we still have this polarity level here on the 15 and the previous polarity on the 4 from back there. Okay, so be careful with your trades. Bitcoin really bullish, still bullish with this range. We might see a new all-time high, but I don't want to call that. We just might. We can easily have a big rejection. Also because on a daily, we still have this as a possible lower high from the previous all-time high. Okay, so be careful with your trade, guys. uh, See you guys tomorrow on the Bitcoin analysis. Thank you.